In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of no sound in Chrome. If you're watching this, chances are you've encountered the frustrating moment where you're trying to play audio or video content in your Chrome browser, but no sound is coming through. It can be an annoying problem, but don't worry. I'm here to help you resolve it step by step. Let's begin by checking the most basic thing, which is your device's system volume. Sometimes, without realizing it, the volume might be turned down too low or even muted. So, take a moment to check your device's volume settings. Make sure it's set to a level that you find comfortable. If adjusting the volume does not resolve the issue, don't worry, we have more steps to try. Next, let's dive into Chrome's own sound settings. Open your Chrome browser, and in the address bar, type chrome/settings/content/sound and hit enter. This will bring you to Chrome's sound settings page. Here, you want to make sure that the option Sites Can Play Sound is indeed selected. This allows websites to play audio automatically as you browse. Simple enough, right? But we're not quite done yet. You'll also want to verify that the website you're trying to hear sound from isn't accidentally placed on the Not Allowed to Play sound list. If you see the website there, you'll need to remove it from the list to allow sound to play. This is a common reason why some sites might seem to be muted automatically, so it's always a good idea to check this setting when troubleshooting sound issues. Now, here's a useful trick for when you're dealing with a specific site. You might have muted the site at some point during a previous session. To check this, take a look at the tab of the website you're currently on in Chrome. Right-click on it, and you should see an option that says Unmute Site. If you find that option is available, go ahead and select it. This will instantly unmute the site, allowing you to hear sound again if that was indeed the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully restore sound on your Chrome browser. Remember, always start by checking your system's volume, then proceed to the browser settings if the issue persists. Hopefully, these instructions have removed any obstacles to enjoying your audio or video content online. If you found this information helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a sound-filled day ahead.